case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Gulfco of Louisiana Inc. versus the Brantleys centered around the controversial practice of predatory lending and the court's response to this abuse of trust. The Arkansas Supreme Court in 2013 laid down a precedent-setting decision that upheld laws meant to protect borrowers from exploitative lenders in what was a litigious journey of debt and desperation. The Brantleys found themselves trapped in multiple high-interest loans offered by Gulfco. Over a 2-year period, they received 4 loans, each securitized against their home and personal belongings, with steep annual interest rates ranging from 24.09% up to 40.20%. The Brantleys, unable to keep up with payments due to adverse personal circumstances, were faced with the invidious decision of either taking further loans or losing everything they owned. When Gulfco initiated foreclosure proceedings based on default, the Brantleys mounted a robust defense. They refuted the loan company's allegations, claiming the loans were not only usurious but also exploitative in nature. They filed for a preliminary injunction to stop the sale of their home, which was granted by the circuit court as Gulfco failed to respond. Gulfco, however, sought to counter the lower court's verdict, based primarily on jurisdictional claims. The Louisiana-based firm argued that the Arkansas court incorrectly applied its own state's usury law instead of Louisiana's. Further, it contested the requirement for it to be licensed by the Arkansas Secretary of State. In the subsequent appeal, the Supreme Court of Arkansas affirmed the circuit court's decision, deeming Gulfco's lending practices as both unconscionable and predatory. The court underscored the importance of the Arkansas Home Loan Protection Act, which safeguards borrowers from financial lenders who lend indiscriminately without due evaluation of a borrower's ability to repay. Consequently, the court ruled against enforcing the mortgage, stating it violated public policy. Gulfco's disregard for the act constituted its practices under the umbrella of unconscionable or deceptive, as per the Arkansas Deceptive Trade Practices Act. The win for the Brantleys in the face of a dominant lender was a poignant reminder of debtor protections embedded in state law, ensuring the rights of individuals aren't subject to the whims of aggressive financial institutions. It signified a victory for consumer rights, setting a critical precedent for future cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class